Andrew M. Slavitt is an American businessman and healthcare advisor who served as the acting administrator of the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services from March 2015 to January 2017. A leader of the team that helped to repair the healthcare.gov website after its initial rollout, he was nominated by Barack Obama to run CMS in July 2015. Slavitt graduated from both the College of Arts and Sciences and the Wharton School at the University of Pennsylvania in 1988 and earned an MBA from the Harvard Business School in 1993. After graduating from college, he was an investment banker with Goldman Sachs. After receiving his MBA, he joined McKinsey & Company as a consultant. In 1999, Slavitt founded the healthcare company Healthilys after the death of his college roommate, Jeff Yurkovsky, from a malignant brain tumor. Slavitt later recounted that the financial strain of Yurkovsky's death led to Yurkovsky's widow and children moving into a spare room at Slavitt's home. He served as CEO of Healthilys until 2003, when the company was acquired by United Health Group, whereafter he served as CEO of Optum Insight and the Group Executive Vice President for Optum, both subsidiaries of United Health Group. The Obama administration hired United Health Group's Optum unit, of which Slavitt was an EVP, to lead turnaround efforts for healthcare.gov after a series of technical issues reduced stability and service during the portal's 2013 launch. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.